Hello everyone, my name is Shivani. I am a final year student from Kamala Institute of Technology and Science. I recently got an opportunity as an IoT intern in Emertxe Information Technologies. During my internship, I had an opportunity to work in a project focused on developing an IoT based home automation solution. The goal of the project was to create a comprehensive solution that would allow homeowners are able to automate and control various aspects of their home, including garden lights, temperature, water tank. The project involved designing and implementing a system architecture that would enable seamless communication between the different components. My role in this project involved programming the microcontrollers and sensors as well as integrating them onto the Blynk platform. I look forward to provide a detailed overview of the system architecture and implementation details, and I will show the results how it works. Let's get into the next slide. We see the details view of following contents: what is IoT and what is embedded system, and programming languages like C, C++, about project and about project architecture, requirements, implementation and results. Topics learned during internship includes IoT. So the internship mainly on the IoT and embedded system. So we had introduction to IoT, definition of and architecture of IoT. Coming to embedded system, we actually know what is an embedded system and what are the types of embedded system and the main components of embedded systems. Coming to peripherals, in this project we used peripherals like LED, Arduino Uno, CLCD and ADC. And in this internship we learn basic concepts of C++ programming, and we have been taught a little bit of C programming from its basics like characteristics and keywords, basic data types like int, char, float, double, void, operators, conditional constructors, looping concepts, arrays and pointers, functions and strings, memory segmentation, storage classes, preprocessor directives and header files. Let's move on IoT. What is an IoT? The Internet of Things is a technology that allows us to add a device to an inert object that can measure environmental parameters, generate associated data and transmit them through a communications network. And this Internet of Things is the network of physical objects that contain embedded technology to communicate and sense or interact with their internal states or the external environment. These devices range from ordinary household objects to sophisticated industrial tools. By means of low-cost computing and the cloud, big data and mobile technologies, and collect data with minimal human intervention. And IoT has some applications like smart homes, smart city, self-driven cars, IoT retail shops, farming. We will see what is an embedded system. Any combination of hardware and software which is intended to do a specific task can be called an embedded system. It has three parts: software, hardware and firmware. Embedded devices have peripherals such as serial communication interfaces, synchronous serial communication interface, universal serial bus, multimedia cards like SD cards, compact flash. Examples of embedded systems are refrigerator, micro oven. And about project, this is the overview of IoT based home automation. So it is a system that uses a control device and sensors to automate and control various functions. All the appliances in home like a lamp, fan, TV, refrigerator and air cooler and washing machine. So these all can be controlled by a single mobile application like a Blynk IoT through internet. So it allows user to remotely monitor and control their home appliances and devices. And IoT based home automation solutions can help save energy and reduce utility bills by optimizing the use of energy in the home. The system can be customized to meet the specific needs and preferences of individual homeowners. IoT based home automation solutions can improve convenience and enhance the overall home experiences, making it a valuable investment for homeowners. Now this is the architecture of our project. Let me say we are using CLCD and temperature system and Ethernet shield and Arduino Uno and serial tank and there is a Blynk cloud platform. And this architecture can be divided into two components like hardware and software components. Now we see about the Arduino Uno. So the firmware is programmed using the Arduino IDE. These are the Arduino Uno architecture consists of digital pins, analog pins, power pins and ADC converter, oscillator, pulse width modulation pins. And Arduino IDE software supports C and C++. It is an open source software development environment used for programming Arduino boards. The IDE provides a simple and user-friendly interface for writing and uploading code to Arduino boards. This IDE supports C and C++ programming languages and uses a simplified version of this language to make it easier for beginners to learn. The IDE provides a number of built-in libraries and functions that can be used to easily control sensors, motors and other hardware components connected to an Arduino board. The IDE provides an integrated compiler that converts the code into a machine readable format that can be uploaded to the Arduino board. Next part is simulation. For simulation we used PixinLab. PixinLab is an open source and cross-platform circuit simulator that simulates microcontrollers and electronic based on the PIC microcontroller architecture. The simulator provides a user-friendly interface for simulating microcontroller based circuits. including support for programming, debugging, and serial communication. PixInLab supports a variety of peripherals and devices including LEDs, switches, LCD displays, and motors, among others. The software supports real-time simulation, allowing users to interact with their circuit as if they were running in real time. Next, go for connecting devices. We are using a Blynk IoT platform, and this Blynk is an IoT application that allows user to control and monitor their IoT devices from their smartphones or tablets. Blynk provides a user-friendly interface that allows user to easily create custom interfaces for their IoT devices. Blynk provides a cloud-based platform for storing data and managing IoT devices, making it easy for user to access their devices from anywhere in the world. The application includes a library of pre-built widgets including buttons, sliders, gauges, and graphs, and that can be easily customized to stuff the user's needs. Blynk allows users to send the receive data from their IoT devices, allowing them to monitor and control their devices in real time. Next, move to the simulation of project. This is the Arduino Uno software where we write the code. This is my code. And I compile, export, compile binary. Yeah, my compilation done successfully. Then we move to PixInLab. This is PixInLab, and these are the spare peripherals. Now I show you how to load hex file. Load hex file. It's like okay done. It displays the temperature. Yeah, done. This is the CLCD, and this is the temperature system. This is Ethernet shield, and this is LED, and this is LDR. Let me mirror my mobile to laptop so I can show you how the Blynk application works. This is my mobile. This is the Blynk application in mobile. I created tab 1 and tab 2. Tab 1 for controlling cooler, heater and temperature, and tab 2 for inlet and outlet. A serial tank to control the serial tank. Let me show you. When I switch on the cooler, the CLCD shows this cooler is in on state. My cooler starts rotating. Offing. When I turn on the heater button, we can see that the rising in the temperature, and when the temperature rises above the 35 degrees Celsius, it's showing notification like temperature is above 35 degrees Celsius. Now this is a serial tank. Tab 2. When I turn on inlet, start increasing. When I turn on the outlet valve, we can see decreasing slowly. In this way, we can control our home appliances. Finally, these are the results which I got, and the conclusion. The project successfully demonstrates the application of IoT technology in the field of home automation, allowing users to control and monitor their home remotely. The project uses a combination of hardware and software components, including sensors, actuators, microcontrollers, and the Blynk IoT application to provide a comprehensive home automation solution. The project showcases the versatility and flexibility of IoT technology, allowing users to customize their home automation system to suit their individual needs and preferences. Overall, the project demonstrates the practical applications of IoT technology and in its potential to revolutionize the way we interact with our environment and devices. That's it. That's all about my project. Thanks for Emertxe for giving me this wonderful experience.